Welcome to the Mobile Meals Kitchen. Steve Duval and Tom Shaw from Thor Motor Coach, and we are excited to be with you today.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite recipes of all time, especially in the summer. It is awesome.
And you know, this is one of those things where you get invited to something, right?
Yes.
Maybe you're out camping or somebody, hey, we're having this, bring a side dish. You're like, oh, what am I gonna bring that the kids are gonna like, that's gonna be different, that takes no time at all to whip up, and this is it.
Yeah, this is super simple. Most things you can already have done, ready to go. I mean, you put this together in maybe 5 minutes.
Yeah, we'll show you the entire breakdown at the end of this, but essentially it's peanut butter, coconut milk, soy sauce, lime juice. We got brown sugar, we got chili paste, we got vegetables, sesame oil, and cooked pasta, which you can actually do the day before.
Yeah, this is a cold salad, so it's great.
Yeah, it goes great with beef, chicken, burgers, or by itself.
Yeah.
All right, so let's get started here.
All right, we'll start by making the sauce. So
all right,
dump all of our ingredients in there.
And you can use creamy or chunky peanut butter.
And I would always go with crunchy, and my girlfriend would prefer creamy. So that's the
you know what?
Who's making it?
You could go half and half, and then everybody wins. So you dump all of that in there. I'll tell you what, while we mix that, how about we add the vegetables to this?
Great.
All right, Tom's gonna mix up the peanut sauce. I am going to pour the veggies right into your pasta here. And
so those are red peppers that were sliced. You could chop them up if you like in smaller bits like that, and then thinly sliced cucumber.
And some green, and I think we're gonna need a bigger bowl.
Oh, wow.
You know what, that's all right though. I am such a slob in the kitchen. This is why. All right, there we go. Set this right back here, and you mix that with your sesame oil, just like that. Mix everything together. Yeah, we definitely need a bigger bowl. So keep that in mind. This is a whole box of spaghetti, big peppers.
We just gotta add the 2 teaspoons
of chili paste. Here you go. I guess you can add, depending on how spicy you like it. I know you are a spice king, so we'll just go ahead and make bigger doses.
And then this is a thing where it kind of breaks down to whatever consistency you're looking for. If it's too thick, add maybe a little bit of lime juice. If it's not thick enough, add a little bit more of that peanut butter in. This looks pretty good.
All right, go ahead and you just pour it on there?
Yeah, just pour it on. And
I am really gonna make a mess, I can tell.
This is gonna be awesome once you just toss that together and mix it, make sure everything's all mixed up. And again, this is something, I mean, I could have made this morning. I'm gonna take it to a dinner later tonight. And it's already good to go. And nothing tastes better than on a hot, humid day than a cold salad like this. And that peanut sauce is just awesome.
And it stores really, really well too, so.
Yeah, I'll be eating lunch with this for a few days.
All right.
That is it.
There we go, that easy.
Yes. Again, we use red peppers today. You could use orange.
Orange, green, whatever. Yeah,
Make
just
it
add some color, right?
Yeah.
And then, you know, the kids can pick around and pick out, look at this. What am I doing here? All right, so we just need some plates, some bowls, throw it on the side. Boom, this is a 1 on the ARIA scale. Or we can give a half if we want. You want to do a half? We're going with a half because it's literally that easy. We whip this up in real time with the exception of the pasta. You can cook that up a day before, but this is it. So all the ingredients are going to be right at the end of this video. Go ahead and take it to your next picnic and wow people, and they'll say, well, where'd you learn to make that? And you'll say,
Steve and Tom taught me.
That's you do it just like that.
Steve and Tom taught me.
And the Mobile Meals is where it's at. Direct them to it. Go ahead, like and subscribe. You can go ahead and hit the little bell button, get a notification whenever we send out one of our videos. We're glad you joined us today, and we'll see you next time on Mobile Meals.
Tack, 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 tack.